Good morning. Hello, I am Enrique Espinosa Condes. I am 37 years old. I am Peruvian. I live in Comas district. In Lima, I live with my parents and my two brothers. I have brother too. He live in Caraballo. I am a student at university. I studied industrial engineer. I take my classes virtually. I am my free time. I like playing soccer. I love going out with my friends too. Thank you.